Today's word is rebuff. Rebuff is spelled as R-E-B-U-F-F. Rebuff. As a verb, to rebuff something, such as an offer or suggestion, is to reject or criticize it sharply. One can also rebuff a person by rudely rejecting or refusing them. For the etymology of the word rebuff, Middle French rebuffer, from Old Italian rebuffere, to reprimand, from rebuffo, reprimand. Example of rebuff in a sentence. When their request was immediately rebuffed by upper management, the staff was left frustrated, yet also more determined. Our suggestion was immediately rebuffed. The company rebuffed the bid. She rebuffed him when he asked her for a date. Rebuff in context. The state rebuffed the lawyers' efforts to use the fees as seed money for a new technology system. Synonym of rebuff: snub.